Hello and welcome to the English Flow podcast. I am so happy you are here today. This is a safe place for you. This is a place to learn, to relax, and to grow. Today, we are going to talk about something very important. We are going to talk about discipline. We are going to talk about motivation, and we are going to do it in slow, simple English. I want you to take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out, relax your shoulders, relax your mind. You do not need to hurry, you do not need to stress. Just listen to my voice. Let the English words flow into your ears. Let the meaning come to you naturally. Learning a language is like planting a garden. It takes time, it takes water, it takes sun, and most importantly, it takes patience. Today, we water your garden. We will talk about how you can become strong, how you can learn better, and how you can reach your dreams. Many people think that learning English is very hard. They think it is a big mountain. They look at the mountain and they feel small. They feel afraid. They say, I cannot climb this mountain. It is too high. It is too cold. But I am here to tell you a secret. You do not need to climb the mountain in one day. You do not even need to run. You only need to take one small step, just one step. Discipline is the art of taking small steps. It is not about being fast. It is about not stopping. Imagine a drop of water. One drop of water is very small. It is weak. If it falls on a rock, nothing happens. The rock is hard. The water is soft. But if the water drops on the rock every day, for many years, something amazing happens. The water makes a hole in the rock. The soft water changes the hard rock. This is discipline. You are the water. English is the rock. If you study for 5 minutes every day, you will change. You will win. Let us talk about the morning. How do you start your day? The morning is a very special time. The sun comes up, the world is quiet. This is the best time for you. When you wake up, what is your first thought? Do you think, oh no, I am tired? Or do you think, today is a new gift? I want you to change your morning. When you open your eyes, say thank you. Say, I am happy to be alive. This is the first step of discipline. Discipline is not a punishment. Many people think discipline means doing things you hate. This is wrong. Discipline means doing things that help you. It means loving yourself enough to do the good things. When you brush your teeth, that is discipline. When you eat healthy food, that is discipline. When you listen to this podcast, that is discipline. You are doing it because you want a better life. You want to speak English. You want to travel. You want a better job. So discipline is actually love. It is a gift you give to your future self. Motivation is a beautiful feeling. Motivation is like fire. It is hot. It is bright. It gives you energy. When you watch a movie about a hero, you feel motivated. You want to run. You want to fight. You want to study for 5 hours. But there is a problem with motivation. Fire does not last forever. The fire goes out. The motivation goes away. Maybe you feel sad today. Maybe you are tired. Maybe it is raining. When the motivation is gone, what do? Do you stop? No. This is where discipline helps you. Motivation is your friend who comes to visit sometimes. Discipline is your best friend who lives with you. Discipline is there when you are tired. Discipline says, I know you are tired, but let us study for just 5 minutes. Discipline is the quiet voice that keeps you moving. You need both. but you must trust discipline more than motivation. Let's think about your goals. Why are you learning English? I want you to close your eyes for a moment. If you are driving, please keep them open. But if you are safe at home, close your eyes. Imagine yourself in the future. Imagine you are speaking English perfectly. You are talking to a friend. You are laughing. You are ordering food in a restaurant. You understand everything. You speak without fear. How does that feel? It feels wonderful, right? It feels free. Keep this picture in your mind. This picture is your destination. But to get there, you must walk the path. The path is made of days. Today is one part of the path. Tomorrow is another part. Do not look at the whole path. It is too long. Just look at your feet. Just look at today. Can you listen to English for 10 minutes today? Yes, you can. That is enough. That is success. Sometimes you will make mistakes. This is normal. Everyone makes mistakes. Even I make mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are your teachers. When you say the wrong word, do not be angry. Do not say, I am stupid. No. Say, I am learning. When a baby learns to walk, the baby falls down. Does the baby stop? Does the baby say, walking is not for me? No. The baby laughs. The baby stands up again. The baby tries again. Be like the baby. Be brave. If you forget a word, it is okay. If you do not understand a sentence, it is okay. Listen again. Try again. Discipline is the power to stand up after you fall. Every time you make a mistake, you get stronger. Every time you correct yourself, you get smarter. Fear is the enemy of learning. Fear says, be quiet. Discipline says, speak. Let's talk about habits. A habit is something you do without thinking, like breathing, like walking. You want English to be a habit. How do you build a habit? You need a trigger. A trigger is a signal. For example, when you drink your morning coffee, that is a signal. Make a rule. When I drink coffee, I listen to English. Or, when I drive to work, I listen to English. Or, before I sleep, I read one page of English. Connect English to something you already do. This makes it easy. Your brain likes patterns. Your brain likes routine. If you do this every day for 30 days, it becomes automatic. You will not need to force yourself. You will just do it. It will be part of who you are. You will not say, I am trying to learn English. You will say, I am an English learner. This is a change in your identity. It is also important to rest. Discipline does not mean working 24 hours a day. Your brain is a muscle, like your arm. If you lift heavy things all day, your arm hurts. You need to sleep. You need to relax. When you sleep, your brain is working. It is organizing what you learned. It is putting the English words in the right boxes in your memory. So, sleep is part of studying. Rest is part of discipline. Do not feel guilty when you rest. But make sure you come back. Rest for one day, maybe two. But do not stop for a month. If you stop for a long time, the garden dries up. The weeds grow. It is harder to start again. It is better to do a little bit every day than a lot once a week. 5 minutes every day is better than 2 hours on Sunday. Frequency is the key. Let's talk about the people around you. Sometimes friends or family do not understand. They might say, "Why do you study so much? Come and play. Come and watch TV." It is hard to say no, but you have a goal. You have a dream. You must protect your dream. You can say, I will play later. First, I must do my English. Surround yourself with English. If you do not have English friends, that is okay. You have podcasts. You have books. You have songs. Your phone is a window to the English world. Change your phone language to English. Watch movies in English. Make your environment an English environment. When you hear English all the time, your brain starts to think in English. It happens slowly. At first, you translate everything in your head. You hear cat and you think of the word in your language. But one day, a magic moment happens. You hear cat and you just see a cat. No translation. That is fluency. That is where we are going. I want to tell you a story. A story about two frogs. Two frogs fell into a bucket of milk. The sides of the bucket were high. They could not jump out. The first frog looked at the walls. He said, "This is impossible. I cannot get out. I am going to die." He stopped swimming. He gave up, and he drowned. The second frog was afraid too, but he said, "I will not stop. I will keep swimming." He kicked his legs. He swam and swam. He was tired. His legs hurt, but he did not stop. He kicked the milk for hours. Suddenly, something happened. The milk turned into butter. The milk became hard because he kicked it so much. The frog climbed on top of the butter and jumped out of the bucket. He was safe. Why? Because he had discipline. He did not give up. You are the second frog. English is the milk. It feels like you are swimming and nothing is happening. But keep kicking. Keep swimming. One day the liquid will become solid. You will find your footing. You will jump out and you will be free. Let's focus on the word patience. In our world today, everyone wants things fast. We want fast food. We want fast internet. We want fast results. If we do not see results in one day, we are unhappy. But learning a language is an old thing. It is a human thing. It is biological. It cannot be rushed. You cannot force a flower to open. If you pull the petals of a flower, you kill the flower. You must wait. You must give it water and light. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. If you have a bad day, forgive yourself. Tomorrow is a new day. The sun will rise again. You will have a new chance. Do not compare yourself to others. Do not look at someone on the internet and say, "He speaks so well. I am so bad." You do not know his story. Maybe he studied for 10 years. Compare yourself only to yourself. Are you better than you were yesterday? Do you know one more word today? If the answer is yes, you are winning. Let me tell you about the power of writing. Writing is very good for discipline. Buy a small notebook. Every day, write 3 sentences. Just 3. Write about your day. Today, I ate an apple. It was good. I am tired. Simple sentences. When you write, you see the language. You have time to think. You can check your spelling. Keep this notebook. After 1 month, look at the first page. You will see how much you have improved. You will see your progress. This gives you motivation. It shows you that your hard work is real. It is not just in your head. It is on the paper. Writing connects your hand to your brain. It helps you remember. It is a slow activity, like this podcast. Slow is good. Slow is strong. Do you know that your brain changes when you learn? It is true. Scientists say that when you learn a new language, your brain grows. It makes new connections. It stays young. So, you are not just learning words. You are making your brain healthy. You are doing exercise for your mind. This is another reason to be disciplined. It is good for your health. Think of English as a gym for your brain. Every time you listen, you are lifting weights. Every time you speak, you are running. It is hard work, but it makes you powerful. A strong brain helps you in everything else in life. It helps you solve problems. It helps you understand people. It opens doors to new cultures and new ideas. Now, I want to talk about focus. In the modern world, there are many distractions. Your phone beeps, the TV is loud, people are talking. It is hard to focus. But for discipline, you need focus. When you listen to English, try to do only one thing. Just listen. Turn off the notifications on your phone. Find a quiet corner in your house. Tell your family, please, I need 10 minutes. Give your full attention to the language. When you focus, you learn faster. It is better to study for 10 minutes with 100% focus than for 1 hour with 20% focus. Quality is more important than quantity. Be present. Be here. Be now. Do not think about dinner. Do not think about work. Just be with the English words. Enjoy the sound of the language. English has a music. Can you hear it? It has a rhythm. Up and down. Fast and slow. Listen to the music. Let's discuss the word consistency. Consistency means doing the same thing again and again. It is the secret key to success. Imagine a stone cutter. He hits the stone with a hammer. 1 time, 2 times, 10 times. Nothing happens. The stone looks the same. He hits it 50 times. Still nothing. But he keeps hitting. 100 times. Suddenly, at 101 hits, the stone breaks in 2. Was it the last hit that broke the stone? No. It was all the hits before. It was the consistency. Your English learning is the same. You listen today, you understand nothing. You listen tomorrow. You understand a little. You keep listening. One day, the stone breaks. You understand everything. You must believe in the process. You must trust the journey. Do not stop hitting the stone. We are coming to the end of our time together, but your journey is just starting. Today, we talked about many things. We talked about discipline, motivation, habits, and patience. I want you to take these words and keep them in your heart. Remember that you are capable. You are smart enough. You are strong enough. You can learn English. It is not impossible. Millions of people have done it. You can do it too. Do not let fear stop you. Do not let laziness stop you. Be the captain of your ship. Steer your ship towards your dream. The water may be rough sometimes. The wind may blow hard. But if you hold the wheel tight, if you stay on course, you will arrive. You will reach the land of fluency. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Thank you for giving me your time. Time is the most valuable thing you have. I appreciate you. I believe in you. Now, go out into your day. Take your discipline with you. Take your motivation with you. Smile at the world. Speak English with pride. Even if it is just one word. Say hello. Say thank you. Use what you have and come back tomorrow. We will be here. We will be waiting for you. Keep flowing. Keep growing. Goodbye for now, my friends.